Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off GPS location data collection in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on additional privacy controls and then click on customization service. Now in customization service, click on data management. And here you will see our location button. So if you want to turn off GPS location data collection, then turn off this button and then click on stop. And if you want to turn on GPS location data collection, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off GPS location data collection in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.